You're the first to clock in, the last to leave. At work, you're irreplaceable. That's what the boss says. Yet your bank balance keeps playing a bad joke. The zeros never change, just their position. You miss family dinners. The stress sticks like glitter you can't wash off. Alone, you ask yourself, if I'm so valuable, why isn't my money? If you've ever wondered if there's a hidden game at play, you're right. The rich aren't just working hard. They're working smart, using salary strategies most people never even hear about. No magic, no secret handshake, just knowing what to do at the right moment. Today, I'm laying out 10 powerful salary secrets the wealthy quietly use, no matter where you start or where you live. Some secrets will challenge how you see money. Some will flip common sense upside down. Everyone can change your financial trajectory, step by step. If you're passionate about success and ready to take action, hit that subscribe button. We're here to inspire and guide you every step of the way. Ready? Let's dive in. Number 1. Live below, invest above. Break the cycle. Ever notice how, when most people get a raise, suddenly everything else gets upgraded too? New phone, the shinier car, maybe a fancy watch. The extra cash just vanishes like a magician's trick. The rich don't fall for this. Instead, they keep life simple, even when the income rises. More money doesn't mean more expenses. It means more investments. Instead of grabbing that new $800 phone, they put it in a stock or index fund, letting that money start quietly working behind the scenes. Luxury doesn't have to be the enemy, but it should be earned by assets, not effort. The simple lesson? Freeze your lifestyle. Take every increase and split it. Half to investments, half to enjoy. 5 years out, your money is stretching further, not racing just to catch up. Now, I'll show you how the things you buy, yes, even little purchases, can put money in your pocket or steal it forever. And most people never spot the difference. Number 2. Buy assets, not toys. The ultimate adult test. Let's admit it, the urge to treat yourself is real. Got paid. Time for a shopping spree, a new gadget, that designer bag, maybe a fancy dinner. But here's the cold reality. Toys get old, assets get valuable. What sets the rich apart isn't iron willpower. It's a simple question they ask before every purchase. Will this put money in my pocket or take it out? If the answer is in, it's an asset. Stocks, real estate, index funds, small side ventures. If it's out, it's a toy. Toys feel good now, but leave you staring at the same paycheck a year later. Let's paint a picture. Imagine you skip the $200 phone upgrade and invest that into a diversified fund. Over 10 years with an average 8% return, you're sitting on nearly $2,600, enough for future toys paid for by your investments. At the end of the day, assets buy your toys. Toys never buy your freedom. Are these sacrifices forever? No, but delay them. Let your assets pay for fun, so you never feel guilt when you splurge. And here's the sneaky part. Once you start seeing your money make more money, spending on stuff just won't feel as thrilling as buying your own independence. Number 3. Use salary as leverage, not a cage. Here's the mental trap. Treating a salary like a safety net that keeps you stable. In reality, it often becomes a cage, quietly limiting choices and risk-taking. The wealthy don't look at their salary as the end game. It's the means to a bigger end. Alan, a nurse, started using his income to pay for specialized courses, eventually moving into a consulting gig that tripled his pay, using his old salary as the investment. Instead of letting his job define him, he let it fund new opportunities. There's a simple math trick. Every $100 you invest in yourself or an asset could turn into $500 or $5,000 over a career if you think long game. See your salary as fuel for freedom, not permission to coast. Now, ready for a survival lesson? The next secret isn't exciting, but it's what keeps the rich from falling back to square one even when life goes sideways. Number 4. Protect your cash flow, the oxygen of wealth. Here's the blunt truth. Cash flow is oxygen. Lose it, and even the richest-looking life suffocates. Way too many people let debt, bad habits, or recurring bills slowly strangle their salary. The wealthy are brutal, yes, brutal, about protecting cash flow. Imagine you're hit with a $700 car repair. If you have no buffer, you go into debt and spiral into fees, stress, maybe months to dig out. If you've got a cash cushion, you're annoyed, but not derailed. Protecting cash flow lets you keep playing offense with your salary instead of living on defense. Small step. Call up a bill and negotiate a better rate. Cancel one forgotten subscription. This isn't a get-rich move. It's a stop-getting-poor move. Remember, the rich aren't worried about appearances. They're obsessed with staying solvent. Number 5. Negotiate relentlessly. Never leave money on the table. Here's another open secret. Almost everything is negotiable. Jobs, raises, benefits, perks, even time off. Most people shy away from negotiation, afraid to seem greedy or entitled. The wealthy? They treat negotiation as survival, not ego. Don't wait to be noticed. Research pay rates in your industry. Document your wins. Track your numbers. Practice the conversation, at home, in the mirror, with friends. Prepare your case with facts, not feelings. Switching jobs is sometimes necessary. Don't be afraid to move if you've hit your ceiling. Every $5,000 raise you secure and invest isn't just a win today. With compounding, it could become hundreds of thousands over decades. Years ago, a colleague found that just by switching roles and negotiating at each jump, her salary doubled within 5 years with the same skill set. No new degrees, just new confidence, better timing, and hard conversations. In a bit, I'll show you how to multiply income streams quietly, how invisible money can start showing up while you sleep. But first, let's set up for financial resilience. Number 6. Build invisible income streams. Sleep money matters. Maya started with $50 a month in a high-yield savings and $100 in index funds. Over 10 years, her side investments grew to cover her utilities and groceries, even before her main job saw a promotion. Relying on one paycheck is like standing on one leg all day. The wealthy build backup. They plant seeds early, even if they're tiny. Dividend stocks, a rental property, a blog, a YouTube channel, a small digital product. Start small. $50 in dividend stocks, $200 into a global index fund, a small ebook. Just start one small stream. Maybe it's a side freelance gig, maybe passive income from stocks, or even a marketplace like Etsy. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best is now. And this naturally sets us up for the most powerful multiplier in money, the one the rich adore, but most overlook. Number 7. Play the long game. Time and compounding. Ever notice how the wealthy don't panic about the latest market crash? They're playing a different game, one built on time and patience, not fortunes won or lost overnight. Compounding, the magic of money making more money, is the superpower. Let's break it down. If you invest $500 a month at an average 7% annual return for 25 years, you'll end up with nearly $400,000 without ever scoring a massive win or timing the market. Timing tries to win today. Patience builds tomorrow. Most people say, I'll start investing next year when things are better. Spoiler, things are never just right, and delay is where dreams go to die. Rich people start now, riding out bull and bear markets knowing that every extra year magnifies their returns. Start with anything, $20, $100, $500. The number matters less than the discipline. Compounding doesn't care if you're a CEO or a cashier, it only cares about time. So give yourself time. Number 8. Shift your mindset from consumer to owner. Here's the real difference. Most see salary as a ticket to consumption. The wealthy see it as proof of ownership. Every dollar is a decision. Does it buy things or buy freedom? Every purchase is an investment, either in future you or in someone else's bottom line. Let's get tough. No one's coming to rescue you. Not your boss, not the government, not some miracle return. Owning your money choices, good and bad, is the unlock. Suddenly you stop asking, how much does this cost? And start asking, what will this return? That mindset shift isn't just about money. It changes your approach to health, work, and relationships. Mastering salary isn't about earning more, blaming bosses, or chasing the next job title. It's about a shift, a collection of repeatable systems, patiently stacked week after week. You don't need luck, genius, or an Ivy League degree. You need patience, discipline, and systems anyone can build, regardless of the starting point. If you found this valuable, check out the next video. Like, subscribe, leave your thoughts, especially if this shifted your mindset. Your future self is already cheering you on.